Once again, good morning to all and be ready. We are going to solve question number 1, practical question number 1, cash book with single column. So all of you first make the format of it as I have put you yesterday. Make the format in your notebook now, everyone. All of you will make the column. Date, receipts, date, that side receipts, voucher number, ledger folio, LF, ledger folio. And this side again date, payments, voucher number, ledger folio and amount. This is our credit side and this one is our debit side. Yes, Prince?
Sir, I am not able to see your video.
Eh?
I am not able to see your video.
Then you check your phone beta. Everybody else is able to see.
Okay, sir.
Once the class join kar lo. Others, turn on the cameras. I hope you have made it. Now let us start the questions. Each transaction you see, whenever there is a transaction, first of all, you try to find out whether the cash will be received in it or cash will be paid. First of all, try to identify whether the cash will be received, cash will come into business or cash will go out of the business. Payment will be made or there will be receipt of cash. Once you have done it, then you find out why cash is received, how cash is received, who has paid you, and what is the reason that you have to write on the debit side. Similarly, why this side also, when you make a payment, you have to answer this. Why the payment is made? Why the payment is made? The reason. And to whom the payment is made? To whom? Why the payment is made? Payment is made because you are paying salary, expense, you are paying commission, you are paying rent, right? You are paying any sort of expense. You are also paying because you are purchasing something in cash. Purchasing, you are purchasing goods, you are purchasing furniture, you are purchasing motor car, whatever. If something is purchased in cash, then we make payment, or we pay some expenses, we make payment, right? Or we pay to our creditors, we make payment. So you will write here, but answer you will find why we are making payment and to whom you are making payment. Similarly, here on the debit side, this side, you will find out why we are receiving the payment. Why we are receiving the payment. You will write here to sales because we have sold goods, to commission, to rent, to interest, to dividend, to Mr. Ramesh, means Mr. Ramesh is paying to us. He must be our debtor. So you will write this side. Okay. So let us start the question, and simultaneously you also do it in your notebook. First of all, I will write there in the date. I will write year and the date. Year is 2016. First of May 2016, 1st of May. So we start commenced business with cash. $25,000. When business is started, that is investment, capital investment. You know the journal entry, cash account debit to capital account. This is cash book, and here we write to capital. Why cash has come into business? Because business is getting started now. So to capital, number one. Number two, bought goods for cash. Bought goods for cash. When we have bought goods, it means we have purchased goods for cash. Therefore, the money must have gone out. So we will write this side. By purchase account. By purchase account. Because we have purchased goods and we have paid money. By purchase account. Paid charges. By charges. ₹200. We have to write the reason why we are making payment. Reasons are already given there. Similarly, why we are receiving, we will write this side. Sold goods for cash. May 4. Sold goods for cash means that goods are sold and money is received. That goods are sold and money is received. थोड़ा सा इसे और आगे कर लेते हैं. Now it must be more clear. Okay. Sold goods for cash. यानी कि हमने goods बेची है. So it must be receipt of money to sales. How much? 6,000. Received from Ram. It is written there. Received from Ram means Ram has made payment to us. Here we will write to Ram. $1,000. Paid to Shiv Kumar. Dates you can see and put by yourself. Different dates are given. Cash sales. Cash sales means we have sold goods in cash. Again, on 13, once again sales. $8,400 is the cash sales. We have sold goods on cash. Purchased furniture. Buy furniture. Side by side, you also do the question by furniture account. At the end of the class, I will ask you to show the question. Buy furniture. We have purchased furniture. Paid for advertisement. Buy advertisement. $500. On 20th, we paid for advertisement. Money is going out. Purchased goods for Mahesh on credit. Very important transaction. Number 20. On 20th date, purchase goods from Mahesh on credit. Cut it. We will not record this transaction because it is not in cash. It is a credit transaction. It is a credit transaction. So we will not record it. This is cash book. In cash book, we record only cash transactions. So we will cancel this transaction. We will not record here. Come to next. Paid to Mahesh. On 24th, we paid to Mahesh. We will record this. Because we are making payment to Mahesh now, so we will record this transaction. Because in this transaction, cash is paid. In the previous transaction, when we purchased goods from him, we did not pay any amount. So we will not record that transaction. Credit transactions are not recorded in cash book. Next, paid wages. $400. Received for commission. $1,500. Very important transaction. Number 28, withdrew for personal use. Personal use के लिए जब भी पैसे withdraw होंगे, it will be called drawing. It will be called drawing. We will use the word drawing. Drawing means personal use. So proprietor has withdrawn money for his private use. So we will write drawing. 2,200 रुपए वो घर ले गए. Paid salary. $700. जब आपकी सारी ट्रांजैक्शंस हो जाए तो टोटल करेंगे. Now you will do the total and you will tell me what is the total of this side. Arjun will tell me the total of debit side. Vansika Sharma will tell me the total of credit side, and everybody will do it and show me in the notebook. Arjun, total of debit side, please.
Yes, sir.
And Vansika Sharma, total of credit side. Anybody else also, if you can do faster, please.
So 41,900.
Who is telling that?
So मैं Bilal.
Bilal, which side this? Debit side?
Debit side.
How much it is?
41,900.
41,900. Okay, let us check 549. 0, 0. Very good. The debit side total is 41,900. It means we have received 41,900 rupees this month.
No, that's
We have received 41,900 rupees this month. This one. It is all clear. 25,000 we started the business. Then 6,000, 1,000, 8,400 and 1,500 we received. Mahima credit side total. Mahima Gangwar total of credit side. Let Mahima tell the total.
10, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Sir, 21,200.
Wait a minute. Others also let them do.
Hello.
Yes, beta. Yes, I can hear. 20.
Sir, 41,900.
देखते हैं अभी और बताइए महिमा.
41,900.
Sir, 41,000.
41,000.
41.
41.
This side. Credit side.
Oh, sorry, sir.
21,200.
Sir, 25,700.
21,200.
Just a minute.
25,700.
Just a minute. First you check the amount of you. Number 1, 10,000 by purchase.
Sir, yes, sir.
200 charges.
Yes,
Number
sir.
3rd, 2,600. Number 4, 5,000. 500 and
4,000 दिए यहाँ पर.
4,000.
Sir,
Number 7,
20,600.
400. Number 8, drawings 2,200. And last is 700 for salary.
Sir,
Now do it correctly.
25,600.
25,600 is the right answer.
Beta, even if there are 1,000 students sitting, total should be same.
25,000.
25,600.
The 25,700.
No, it's 600. Sir, 25,600.
Correct.
Yes.
The total should be 25,600. So you will write here. Total debits. 25,600 is the total payment we have made during the month. Now, as Bilal has told, our debit side total is 41,900. This 41,900, you write here in front of it, 41,900. And out of this 41,900, subtract this 25,600. You will get answer 16,300 rupees. You will get the balance, the cash in your hand, or you will get the cash remaining in the office. That is, you will write here on 31st by balance, carried down CD 16,300. This 16,300 is our answer. This 16,300 is the cash remaining in the office, because this debit side, whatever we received, 41,900, we have spent this much of money. We have made payments 25,600. Out of 41,900, 25,600 is paid. Therefore, the amount remaining with us is 16,100. Check the answer. The answer is cash balance 16,300. This way, a question can be solved. This is simple one. Cash book, and in cash book there is only one column. This one. It means whatever cash is in the office and payments we are making, only that thing is there, right? This is a simple question. All receipts on the debit side, all payments on the credit side. After that, total kariye of the debit side, total of the credit side, subtract the total of credit side from the total of debit side. You get the cash balance as answer, and you will write here on the last date of the month by balance carried down. Carried down means this is May. This is May. May के बाद क्या आएगा? June. So next month June में first तारीख को we will have 16,300 in our hands. 16,300 आपका start होगा June. फिर June में money will come and you will make payments, and again the same process will go. So cash book is prepared periodically. Sometimes it is prepared monthly. If there are more transactions, it is prepared in 15 days also. If there are even more transactions, a lot of transactions in the firm, then it is also prepared weekly. And in some organizations, some business houses, it is prepared daily, because there are a lot of cash transactions daily going on. So they want to know the cash inflow of cash and outflow of cash on the daily basis. So therefore, it is very important for us to know what is the exact format. You see these two columns, voucher number and ledger folio, we did not write anything there, because in the question voucher number and ledger folio is not given, right? If it is not given, we will leave it blank. But it does not mean that you will not make it. You have to make it always. You have to make it always. But if voucher number and ledger folio is not given, then you will leave it blank. Other thing remaining same. This is debit side, this is credit side, this is receipts. These are payments. Once again, I tell you the method. Total this side first, debit side, then you total the credit side, subtract the total of credit side from the total of debit side, and you will get the balance, cash balance, as your answer. You will get the cash balance as your answer. So this was for today. Everyone must have done in the notebook. Show me your notebook like this in front of your camera. Everybody, what you have done, show me in front of your camera. Okay, Jasanjit has shown, Bilal, okay, Vansika, okay, Shekhar, Sujal, okay, Anurag, Prince Rotela, your notebook. Tamanna, Ansika Arora, Arjun Singh, okay, Varun, Ansika Bhatia, Mahima, Ankit, Anjali, notebook. Okay, down. Prince Rotela, show your notebook. Prince Rotela, show your notebook where you have solved the question. Not shown? Then get out of the class. Okay. So you can practice next question, question number 2, 3 in your notebook, rough notebook also, and you can start doing the chapter in your fair notebook. Very soon, as I told you, your notebooks will be checked and you will be called to the school and update your work, keep it up to date. You must be getting news very soon. The schools may reopen, right? In September onwards, maybe schools for the higher class may reopen. It is still in the consideration, but be ready for everything. Okay, and complete your work, keep your work up to date. I am very hopeful that all of you must have also paid the school fees. Okay, see that if possible, just do the needful, and periodic test marks, maybe tomorrow I will tell you. I will give you the marks tomorrow, periodic test marks, and you can see how you are performing, especially in the subjects accounts, economics, and business. These are the 3 major subjects of commerce stream. You know, all subjects are important, but these are the major subjects of the commerce stream. So you should see that you are doing it well. Okay, in these subjects, your percentage should always be above 80%. In these subjects, English and physical and computer science, right? Or if you have maths, they are also very important. But you see that you do well in these subjects first. Accounts especially, economics, then business studies. But I'm very hopeful that you are taking all the subjects very seriously. And if you are regular to the class, if you keep yourself, sincere, then all things will become easy. Anybody want to ask any question? This question, Jasan, picture. Some other student also take the picture and then you send it to me in my phone. Take the picture, please. It should be clear. I will also take the picture today, and whole board should be there, full board. Okay, now I pause the recording.